Welcome back. So in this video and this training, we're going to go through the exact process that I do whenever I'm looking at any new category or niche or affiliate campaign, basically. So we start off with the numbers because we want to establish whether there's interest in that market, whether people are asking questions about it, whether there's already content, and is there products that we can become an affiliate for? Because there's no point in going through it all and there's no affiliate products, okay? So I've been doing a little bit of research and I've stumbled across this little niche over here. Never heard of it before. And it's these grounding maps. Now I came across this on Facebook randomly. It was an ad on Facebook. I don't know why. And I thought, interesting, never heard it, never seen it. I'll do a little bit of research for this. So I've simply come over onto Google and I typed in grounding map. Now you can see down here, there's currently 90,500 searches a month, which is insane for a grounding map. Now you might be wondering, how do we get these numbers down here? Now this is using a piece of software. You don't have to have this, by the way, because I'll show you another way around this. But if we come over here, I can come to this website over here, and it's called Keywords Everywhere. And basically this over here is a Chrome extension. It works on Firefox and, well, I'm not going to get rid of that. It works on Firefox and also other platforms. Get rid of this. So this is the website. It's called Keywords Everywhere. So you come over here and you can purchase, to call it credits, but basically I'll show you this. Okay, so let me show you the pricing and I'll show you why it's awesome. So the pricing for this is $6 a month. Okay, and you can get gold or platinum. Literally, I think I'm pretty certain I've gone with silver. And the reason why is, if you come down here, 400,000 credits a year. One search is one credit. So 400,000 is a lot. I think you'd be absolutely fine with that. Now with this piece of software over here, it's an extension. It just goes up here. So you just install it, pay your money, and you're good to go. And you can see you can do it for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Once you've done that, if I scroll down here, you will see it doesn't just work on Google. It works, you can see over here, look, it works on YouTube, ChatGPT, Instagram, Pinterest, Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. So it's bloody brilliant. It really is. So let me come out of there. Let's go back over here to the homepage that we was on. Let's go back over here. And I'll show you where we was up to. So I'm going to type in, let me type this in again. So basically anything we type in will come up. So I'm going to type in the word grounding map. And then, because I've got that extension, it comes down here with the search volumes, okay? So if I scroll down the page here now, I can see the difficulty for this. I can also see people are also searching for, so it gives me related keywords to the one up here. And I can see, look, loads and loads of content down here with search volumes. That's important because I can see very quickly that people are searching for this content, they're interested in it. So potentially, if we create content around that with an affiliate link, we're going to earn some money. And the other thing to say as well is if I scroll down here as well, I can find related keywords using this software and loads more stuff, okay? And then you also see at the bottom of Google, you don't need keywords everywhere for this. You can see all of these additional things that people are searching for. Now, speaking of what people are searching for, there's a website and it's free. It's called Ask the Public. Now, they do have a paid version. You don't need it, absolutely not. Just go with a free version. And then in here, basically, you type in your keyword here, okay? So if I now type in grounding maps, and then I go over here to the right-hand side, select the country, select the language, hit on search, it will tell me exactly what people are searching for online. So up here we've left it on Google, but you can go on to, you can filter this to Bing, YouTube, TikTok, etc. So with this now, I can see there's currently 50 questions which are being asked around this keyword. So now I can scroll down and I can start to get some ideas of content I can create around this, okay? And you can see there's lots and lots on here. So all of this is ideas for content, but these are all questions that people are currently asking, okay? If you scroll further down the page here, come a little bit further down here, it also does it alphabetically for you, so you can go through and have a look at this and start again getting ideas for content, because obviously this is what people are searching for. So that's this little part of it done, okay? Do a little bit of research on this. Once we've decided on the niche that we're going to go into, and we know that, you know, there's a demand for it and people asking questions, the next part is I would go ahead and do a little bit of research very quickly on, say, YouTube. So if I come over here, I'll show you this. So you can see I've just typed in grounding mats on here, and basically I want to know, is the content on there getting views? Because if it is getting views, then I know that we're in with a good show. So if I scroll down here, we can see 1 year ago 60,000 views, 10 months ago 158,000 views. Come further down, and basically what I'm doing here is I'm just looking to see if there's anything more recent. So like this one here a year ago, this one, look, 10 months ago 33,000 views, 2 months ago 18,000 views. So I can see very quickly there's a demand for this. There's content on YouTube which is getting lots of views. The next part of this is we need a product. So the easiest way of finding a product, and one I'd recommend to you, is going over to a platform. Start off with a digital product. Okay, so for this I would simply go over to ClickBank. I'm going to go, sorry, I'm just checking my tabs up here to see if I've got a ClickBank one open. Oh, there we are. Let's go into the test. Yeah, there we go, in the test. Right, let's come down here. So ClickBank is absolutely free. So you don't need to pay any money to sign up to this website. It's free. It's an affiliate network, and it's in 97 countries, okay? So in here, you can come in and look for products around that category or niche. So over on the left-hand side here, you've got all of your different categories, or you've got the search bar on here, and you can just search for a product in here. So if I come in here, and we would literally be looking for health and fitness, we'd come in here and we'd have a look for it. And if you can't find anything in here, you could simply click on the search bar, okay? So let's go on here and type in grounding mats. Now, I don't think, well, I pretty much know, there won't be a physical product in here, because obviously a grounding mat is a physical product. It's not a digital product, whereas ClickBank is specifically for digital products, okay? So it's a great place to find products which you can become an affiliate for. And you can see over here, it'll give you the name of the actual product. It will give you a description. I mean, it doesn't give you a good description there, does it? It'll give you a description of the product over here. You can click on read more, it'll tell you more about this. They normally have an affiliate page, and then it'll show you the average conversion. And then if you want to promote a product, you simply click on promote, put in your affiliate nickname, which is what you create when you sign up, and then you click on continue like so. Scroll down the page here, and then you've got your long link down there. That is your affiliate link. So you could start sharing your link online, okay? Straightforward and simple. Now, with this one that we've chosen, it's not a digital product, it's a physical one, okay? So if you are going with digital products, ClickBank is absolutely, probably, I say absolutely probably, ClickBank is your best place to start. I mean, there is other networks like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and many more, but you can normally find most products over on ClickBank, especially digital products. Now, this over here, what we're looking at, these grounding mats, is obviously one of these things over here. It's a physical product. So I would need to find affiliate programs for this. It's not hard, okay? So for this, all I do here is I type in grounding mat affiliate program. Because I know there'll be people out here who offer affiliate programs. And as we can see on here, look, become an affiliate, this one, this one, this one. There's loads of them, okay? So I won't go through all of these with you now. I'll do this part after the video. But all you do is you click on here, and it will tell you about the affiliate program. And then it'll just have a sign-up page where you put your name, email, etc., okay? So become an affiliate. Talks about it, how it works. Look, 10% commission on here. It's paid via PayPal bank transfer. Yeah, so that's it. I'd literally go on Google, type in affiliate programs, and then I'd sign up to a few, okay? So that is, at this moment in time, kind of the process of what we would do. We'd decide on our category and our niche. We'd then start seeing if there's a demand for this, if people are looking for this content, or whether people are looking for this product. Once we've decided on that, we'd then go and look, ask the public and see, find more questions that people are asking, because ultimately, all of this over here, come back over here, all of this over here, we can use to create content with. So all I'm going to do now is, after the video, I'm going to go through and put all of these into a document. So I start to get a bank of content ideas that I can create, and we're going to do YouTube with this. Faceless YouTube will go with that, but it doesn't have to be faceless. If you want to be on camera, you can be, but we're going to go with faceless for this, okay? Just because it's simple, easy, and quick. So we're going to use all of these for our video ideas. We're going to apply to a few different affiliate programs, and then once we've got that, we will then move on to creating the content, okay? But that's it, straightforward and simple for today. So go ahead, get your category or your niche, find products in that category, and also start thinking of video ideas. I'll see you in the next one.